Beautiful soul, welcome to Eringy. I'm Erin. Now, if your world is feeling super chaotic at the moment, very stressful, kind of all over the place in the mind, and just feeling like you can't connect to where your heart wants to go, this meditation is really going to help bring confidence to the mind, calm to the heart. So get yourself super comfortable. Let's get started. Come to a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. And when you have arrived, close your eyes and observe the stream of your thoughts. What messages do you convey to yourself through these thoughts? Are they filled with love and acceptance? Or do they reflect an internal conflict? Do you feel a sense of connection or isolation? Use this meditative moment to explore what it means to be at peace with yourself and to experience self-love. Take a few minutes to recognize any repetitive patterns of thoughts and just choose to redirect them. Transform them into a dialogue that promotes reassurance, optimism, and self-love. Now notice how your inner landscape expands, transcending barriers until even your skin no longer separates you, no longer contained within a bodily vessel. And let the warmth of love and positive vibrations fill the entire space, extending beyond the room, fostering connection and inclusion. A merging of loving energy that has no beginning or end. It just is. It simply just is, as you are too. And as you gently bring your awareness back to your body, realize that your skin doesn't create separation. Allow love, kindness, and a profound sense of connection to flow effortlessly through your mind, bringing happiness and joy. Bring your hands together in front of your chest and continue to breathe deeply with loving intention. Carry this sense of self-connection throughout your day and week,
And realize that although negative thoughts can habitually undermine you, you can easily recognize the power you have to change the narrative. Take a deep breath in and just breathe it out. Gently bow your head to your hands. Namaste.